Nebraska basketball players as part of our Legends Weekend. A forward who graduated in 1949 from Lincoln, Nebraska, number 14, Gail Lepside. A forward who graduated in 1954 from Estherville, Iowa, number 11, Don Weber. A forward who graduated in 1955 from Lincoln, Nebraska, number 12, Stan Matsky. A center graduated in 1955 from Holmesville, Nebraska, a 1992 Nebraska Basketball Hall of Fame inductee, number 20, Rex Eckwall. A guard who graduated in 1960 from Pinker, Nebraska, number 40, Dick Shipwright. A forward who graduated in 1960, number 20, and 1995 Nebraska Basketball Hall of Fame inductee, Albert Maxey. A guard who graduated in 1960 from Lincoln, Nebraska, number 44, Wayne Hester. A guard who graduated in 1963 from Holdridge, Nebraska, number 12, Jim Hughey. A guard who graduated in 1965 from Geneva, Nebraska, number 30, Larry Bornschlegel. A center who graduated in 1967 from Seattle, Washington, a 1998 Nebraska Basketball Hall of Fame inductee, number 34, Willie Campbell. A forward who graduated in 1968 from Fort Wayne, Indiana, a 1995 Nebraska Basketball Hall of Fame inductee, number 32, Tom Bond. A center who graduated in 1970 from Orchard, Nebraska, number 52, Dale Von Zager. A guard who graduated in 1972 from Miller, South Dakota, number 20, Ellen Nissa. A forward who graduated in 1973 from Sterling, Nebraska, number 42, Cal Chrisline. A guard who graduated in 1973 from Chicago, Illinois, a 1991 Nebraska Basketball Hall of Fame inductee, number 14, Jeremy Ford. A forward who graduated in 1977 from Fairbury, Nebraska, a 1996 Nebraska Basketball Hall of Fame inductee, number 42, Bob Siegel. A forward who graduated in 1978 from Lincoln, Nebraska, number 32, Terry Novak. A guard who graduated in 1981 from Omaha, Nebraska, number 42, Ivan Gilreath. A guard who graduated in 1984 from South Bend, Indiana, number 24, Eric Williams. A forward who graduated in 1986 from Lincoln, Nebraska, number 50, John Matsky. A center who graduated in 1986 from Omaha, Nebraska, a 1996 Nebraska Basketball Hall of Fame inductee, number 42, Dave Hoffman. A guard who graduated in 1987 from Omaha, Nebraska, number 22, Joel Seeler. A forward who graduated in 1987 from Grant, Nebraska, number 35, Bill Jackman. A guard who graduated in 1987 from Washington, D.C., number 30, Bernard Day. A guard who graduated in 1991 from Herndon, Virginia, number 11, Keith Moody. A forward who graduated in 1991 from Lancaster, Ohio. A 2003 Nebraska Basketball Hall of Fame inductee, number 40, Bo Reed. A center who graduated in 1991 from Torrington, Wyoming, number 34, Kelly Lively. A guard who graduated in 1992 from Holbrook, Nebraska, number 14, J.F. Hoffman. A guard who graduated in 1994 from Rapid City, South Dakota, a 2006 Nebraska Basketball Hall of Fame inductee, number 52, Eric Piatkowski. A guard who graduated in 1995 from Columbus, Nebraska, number 33, Lee Steinbrook. A guard who graduated in 1996 from Brooklyn Park, Minnesota, number 12, Tom Wall. A forward who graduated in 1997 from Minnie, Louisiana, number 13, Bernard Garner. In the regular booth tonight, Garner graduated in 2000 from Tecumseh, Nebraska, number 45, Matt Davis. Garner graduated in 2002 from Minden, Iowa, number 3, Carrie Cohar. A guard who graduated in 2002 from Macon, Georgia, number 5, Kendrick Ford. A guard who graduated in 2003 from Indianapolis, Indiana, number 32, Brennan Clemens. A guard who graduated in 2003 from St. Joseph, Missouri, number 55, Ryan Thomas. A forward who graduated in 2004 from Hubbard, Ohio, number 20, Brian Conklin. A forward who graduated in 2004 from Lincoln, Nebraska, number 50, Andrew Drevo. A guard who graduated in 2005 from Lincoln, Nebraska, number 12, Jake Muehlheiser. A center who graduated in 2006 from Alliance, Nebraska, number 45, Tony Wilbrand. A guard who graduated in 2007 from Anniston, Alabama, number 4, Marcus Perry. A guard who graduated in 2007 from Maywood, Illinois, number 3, Charles Richardson. A guard who graduated in 2009 from Nebraska City, Nebraska, number 2, Nick Crane. Guard who graduated in 2011 from Colorado Springs, Colorado, number 34, Andrew Wickman. And a guard who graduated in 2013 from Camden, New Jersey, number 24, Dylan Talley. At this time, two of our Husker legends, Nebraska Basketball Hall of Famers, Dave Hoffman and Eric Piatkowski, have a few words for you, our fans.
I just wanted to start out by thanking the University of Nebraska and the basketball program for bringing us back here and having this weekend. This is a great time for all us old guys to get together and see each other again. And it's just a great time to be a Husker basketball fan. We've got the right coach, we've got a young, good team, we've got this beautiful arena, and we've got you guys coming out here every night, 15,000 strong, so let's keep it going and let's get to the NCAA this year, all right?
I also want to thank the university for bringing us all out tonight. They really rolled the red carpet out this weekend. And a lot of universities don't do that. The way they recognize their former athletes is a really special thing. It makes all of us old guys feel really, really well. After we got done slapping our backs and telling each other how fantastic we were over our careers, we got back more into the present day. And I tell you what, the new Lincoln, with the new Hendricks training facility, with the Haymarket, and with Pinnacle Bank Arena, really, really, really impressive. Now I want to tell you, not if we win, but when we win today, you guys will be 14-1 here at Pinnacle Bank Arena, which will be the best record in the Big Ten Conference, meaning this is the toughest place to play Big Ten basketball. A victory in Bloomington this week and come back next weekend, I want you fans to show that you're not one of the best, but the best in the country, and get this place wild and crazy for Wisconsin. Let's go Huskers.
Husker fans, let's hear it one more time for all of our former medal winners.